ranger station. My permit here. Hit the trail in a second. Nonsense that we doing, look at this.
All they need is the one with the British accent. Don't fuck with
I hear it, alright.
It's easy to get. You're blending on camera.
I know.
You never look at clear.
Yeah. It's just funny too.
Alright, take the shot. And I'm gonna hit the trail. Everybody take the shot. Come on, guys. Cheers, y'all.
Cheers, guys.
Cheers. Everybody.
Here we go. Good time.
Yum. Long ass hike. Look, campsite just down there. Killing, got the water over here. We're gonna make it. We're gonna make it. Hey, look at it.
Make sure you get the guide.
Yeah, we got the guide over here. Come on, 6-pound pack. Guess what? We made it. Ain't too late. I survived another day. Survived another day, y'all. It's raining. I'm gonna set a camp. Yo, made it.
Front view, huh?
I'm dying over here.
Where's the fire pit?
Hey, shit, made it. I'm gonna set a camp. Set my poles in the water. Yeah, we catching today, boy. We got the storm rolling there. I got my poles in the water. Tent set up. You know what I mean? I'm out here on the beach. This is Kibbie Lake, Mexico. I'm just out here on the toes in the sand. Y'all check this out. Yeah, we got the storm rolling in, you know. But it's all good. So I'm catching fish. I ain't tripping. See that? Yeah, y'all saw that? Deep. We catching fish though. We on it. It's it. Yo, really. There you go. Got him.
Oh, that's a fish.
Told you, bro. This is my spot, bro. Don't ever disrespect me like that ever again. Nah. There you go. That's your first trout, baby. Put you on.
Cutthroat.
Cause that's the only fish out here. Cause it's so cold out here that the only fish that's gonna survive is trout. I'm a guy, bro. Let's go. First one on you. Hey, go left, cause you're gonna cross my line. Yeah.
You think put to me.
Hey, go. Hell yeah.
That's brown. Guarantee.
Yes, sir. Rainbow. That's a rainbow.
Yeah,
Yes, sir. We on. Cheers. Tradition around here. Take a shot when we set up. Everybody set up. Definitely cheesesteak, boy. Yeah, here. Chilling.
Never really.
There's a strap right here. Not out here. Off this lake over here.
Okay, huh? Yeah.
It's on there. That's a fish. They might have came off. Oh no. Still on there? Yep.
Oh, is it rainbow? In front of it, man. Is that one over there? That other one moving.
Yeah, that one. Over there.
No, that's on me. Yep, that's on this one. Oh, that's that one too?
Both of them.
You got a double.
Fish on.
Oh no, we cross line.
We got you.
That's what I'm saying. Like,
Shit. Hit a double.
man.
Yeah, I'm just gonna cut mine.
Keep your body. Yeah, before I get that ball shot.
It's nice over here, it's deep.
Yeah, a little bit up ahead.
Look at it. Hey, he really going out there though.
Already in the water.
Hey, you need my air blower?
think you'll feel
Yeah, bring one with you in case it deflates.
Go. Let's do it. Take off.
Go lay down on it.
Take off. You really going? Yo, look, check it. Hey, we out here chilling. We on the beach, you know, a little playa. We chilling.
Hey, if the water's cold, you try going in. It's probably gonna be cold.
Chilling. Here in the water. Enjoy the good time. We chilling. Get in there. Bro, it feels. Look at them. They on the island over there. They chilling. Yeah, we chilling over here. You feel me?
Stop being scared, bro.
It didn't taste good.
Hey, the whole time. Hell yeah, baby. We got everybody on the fish. We got everybody on the fish, brother. Got it. You got your phone? You got your phone? You want a picture? Wait, hold on. Woo! It's crazy, right?
I might actually be working, yo.
Just drink it. Just drink it. Yeah, if it breaks, it breaks. Don't worry about it. I'll retire. Yes, sir. We got everybody on fish. You feel me? That's what I do when I take people on trips.
Ricky did the fish.
Yeah, when I take people on trips.
Get Ricky on the fish?
Did you get Ricky on the fish?
Yeah, we playing well.
I'm ready to west.
Middle lake, bro. Cause I'm trying to catch some fish. He out here.
I'm not swimming up with the
Yeah. All the way. I need at least halfway. Lock this monster. Lock this monster.
Nah, you gotta go further.
Yeah, you gotta go further than that. Come on, man. Go all the way. At least half.
You ain't guessing that far, dog.
Come on, bro. I can cast that far. I cast the far myself.
Where's it doing?
Packed out.
You started itching or what?
On out of here.
Yeah,
Son?
he started itching.
He made himself
Go
itch.
get some
He's
barbecue.
allergic to chickpeas, too.
Yeah. Take a break. Get back. Almost out of here. I'll be about like an hour 30 more. Almost at the back on the trailhead to the truck. Got the crew here. The other people left yesterday. That's from down south. This is just the overview. No. Back.
Yeah, buddy.
Yeah, like ice. Trailhead, back to trailhead.
this one for free.
Still got shots.
But one this size is like 100 or something, I think. This is Arctic, it's not Yeti. Can you pass this one up? I got this, my buddy ended up buying the company I used to work for in New Mexico. He sent me that for Christmas.
I want to get a portable fridge.
Hell expensive though.